Hi everybody, David Lewis here. Now we all know that when customers come to our dealership, they are extremely defensive, and our job is to release that defensive posture throughout the sales process. Now if you do that successfully, you will find a car they love and start the negotiation process. Now once you then present the price, it's natural for the customer to again become redefensive, and most of them will object and give you an objection stating why they're not ready to buy today. Your job at this point now, before even trying to overcome that objection, is to again release that defensive posture. Let them know that you're not the typical salesperson, that you care and you understand. Let me give you an example. You've presented the numbers, customer states, the payment's too high. My first response, step one, is what I call the acknowledgement. I state, I understand exactly where you're coming from. I'm just like you. When I set out to buy a high-ticket item like a car, I too set up a budget, and I try very hard to stay within that budget, and it's very difficult, isn't it? And most people will say, yes, it is. And now you have just done step one of the objection process, which is to acknowledge them, and you've released their defensive posture just a little bit so that you can now go and respond to that objection and overcome it and hopefully close the sale. Good luck, everyone.